Hi everybody, today we'll assemble a robot that can be controlled by any smartphone via Bluetooth. Here is a kit with parts for 3 robots. These are the parts from the kit. The robot's brains are in this board. It's much like an Arduino Mega board. You can assemble a Ranger robot, a balancing robot, and a rafter robot with this kit. You can connect up to 10 indicators to it using special connectors. The kit includes 2 powerful motors with gear reducers. You can build robots with both tracks and wheels. There's also a proximity indicator that can locate objects within a 4-meter range. This robot is powered by 6 AA batteries. Let's start assembling it. Fasten these parts to the motor using screws. You should have 2 identical parts. Keep attaching the parts with screws. You can see all the parts are painted nicely, and they smell nice too. This screwdriver is also included in the kit. Assemble another side, and then fasten the front bridge. All the motor parts fit exactly. Assemble the front gears. Everything is going very smoothly, and I'm very pleased with the process. I like these construction toys, and I hope you like them too. This robot would make a nice gift. The link for it is in the video description section. Set the battery holder. Fasten the control board holder. There is a special software for this robot, but you can reprogram it the way you program an Arduino. Attach the line indicator to the bottom. Attach the proximity indicator to the front part. Connect the motor wires here. Attach the control board. Now it's time to put the tracks on the robot. Connect the proximity indicator to pin 10 and the line indicator to pin 9. Go to the mblock.cc webpage and download the software for the robot. This is how the program should look after installation. Connect the robot to your PC using a USB cable. Choose Boards, Arrigo. Choose the necessary COM port. Choose Upgrade Firmware. The software installation should begin. Find the MakeBlock app in Google Play and install it. Connect the power to the robot and start the app. It will scan for a Bluetooth network. Choose the MBOT Ranger, Mars Explorer. The app will run, and you will see a joystick at the left bottom part of the screen. You can control the robot with the joystick, and the light and sound control is on the right side of the screen. The robot can simply move in different directions. I put a book on the floor to see if the robot can overcome an obstacle like this. Choose Line Following mode. The robot kit contains this sheet of paper with a line drawn on it. You can draw any line, and the robot will follow it. Choose Obstacle Avoiding mode. Now the robot drives around everything that's in its way. You can find a coupon for this robot purchase in the video description section. They had a 10% discount for it, and it should last until August 6. If you enjoyed watching the video, click like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of interesting crafts and assembly tutorials for you coming up soon. See you!